forever. I mean,
I wish somebody would.
He's learning to open that door.
Well, let's learn.
It won't take him but a minute. It'll be open, Cindy.
Go outside.
Woo! Say I
Woohoo!
Say I fell in.
Woohoo! We are going to have some fun out here today with Aunt Cindy in the water. Cindy, you want to go ahead and put on your swimsuit? Oh, look at that little hand go up.
Feel the grass on your toes.
That's my Jackson. O-E, O-E.
You got a good one.
Oh my. What have you found? What did the frog say? Ribbit.
Your papa clean it out.
Papa, get it cleaned out for us. What did the frog say?
Jackson, look.
I know what I'm thinking fixing to happen. Oh yeah. Nummy, nummy. It's just got antibodies in it.
Here, germs. Yeah. Build up that immune system. Yeah.
This has got some zoom now. Oh, that's exactly what he's thinking.
You done?
Okay, we're done.